Debbie McGee, 64, and her late husband Paul Daniels lived in the £3 million property in Henley-on-Thames, Oxon. However, it was reported that her home was at risk of being destroyed due to a river bursting its banks, leaving the Star to respond to the claims. Debbie shared her Oxon home with her late husband before he died in 2016. Pictures emerged and were published by the Mirror of Debbie's floods around her property, demonstrating the risk of damage to her property. Debbie has now taken to Twitter to address the stories in view of her 44,000 followers. She shared, "Hi, I have had so many messages about my house. Thank you all. I am fine. The media photos look much worse than they are. It is not deep, my house is protected. Just need wellies to have a walk around the garden. It has already receded and we are back to normal." Many took to the comments to share their joy over the happy news and also wish the star well. Kezra81 said, "So pleased you are okay. Thank you for the update." Ian Campbell 69 added, "So pleased to hear everything is okay and no serious damage." Gillette Berry commented, "So pleased you're all okay, lovely Debbie. The River Thames is very close to my house too. We just got used to it." 20. Allison_Risley added, "That's good to hear. The water level has been so high after all this rain and it's hard now with the freezing weather too. Glad you are okay." Despite worries, Debbie faced a similar deluge in her home in February last year. Currently across the UK, other public figures are raising awareness of flooding as it affects their own properties too. In Herefordshire, Monty Don shared some snaps on Instagram showing water as far as the eye could see. His home flooded as the county was given 6 flood warnings earlier this month. Debbie has been living alone since her husband Paul died at the age of 77, after being diagnosed with an incurable brain tumor. Debbie, who was 56 when her husband passed, first met Paul in 1979 at the Britannia Pier Theatre. The couple started performing together as Debbie assisted the magician on stage and their relationship grew. In 1988, the magician couple got married, with Debbie aged 29 and Paul aged 50. Speaking after Paul's death, said the couple had enjoyed the marriage that everyone dreams of. She told the BBC, "Our life has been full of laughter and that's what it has been the last few weeks, up until the last 48 hours when he slipped into a sleep." The former ballet dancer, who was once the artistic director of her own ballet company, made it to the final of the BBC dancing show Strictly Come Dancing in 2017, just a year after Paul died.